Let's create a gummy bear in Blender. Shift-A, add a UV sphere. Toggle X-ray view to select hidden polygons. Tap to Edit mode and enable proportional editing. Enable X-mirror to keep things even. Select bottom vertices, flatten and bring them up. Do same for top vertices. Then go to Z view and flatten the back. Add a cylinder and in Edit mode select top vertices. Ctrl B to create a bevel. Scroll a mouse wheel to add more segments. Select bottom vertices and bring them down with G key and scale them a little. This is our left leg, so rotate it and bring it into place. Add a mirror modifier and with X symmetry enabled, select body mesh as a mirror object. Shift Z to duplicate mesh and position it higher, also scale it down. Now let's create bear's head. Add another UV sphere and bring side vertices to form cheeks. Also flatten back of the head. Next, add a cylinder and scale it along the Z-axis. Go to Face Select, toggle X-ray mode and select top and bottom polygons. And Ctrl B to bevel. Roll to smooth the edges. Tap and move it up on the place of an ear. Select an ear and arms holding Shift, and then Ctrl L and copy modifiers. Cool, now it's time to create a bear's muzzle. Add UV sphere, position it and scale along X-axis. When it's done, select all the objects that have a mirror on it, pressing Shift, then Ctrl J to join them together. After selection, go to Mirror modifier and apply it. Then select all the bodies, the head and the muzzle, holding Shift, and then Ctrl J to join it all together. Now go to Modifiers window and search for Subdivision Surface. Go to drop-down menu and apply it. Then search for a mesh, enable Smooth Shading and change voxel to 0.5. Apply it as well. Now take our bear and go to Sculpting to add some details. In the Properties, select Dynamic Topology. Change detail size down to 5 pixels. X-mirror is enabled. Then go to Symmetry and click on Symmetrize down here. Then go to Draw menu and select a Smooth tool. Press F to change its size. And now just smooth some jagged edges on our bear model. After that, select Inflate tool and draw a nose. Then eyes by pressing Ctrl to invert the direction. Shift A and go to Light Options, Area Light. Move it over to the side. Also, I'm going to scale down bear model. Ctrl A, apply the scale. Change the power of light to 200 and the size to 2 meters. Shift Z to duplicate it and surround our bear with 4 light sources around him. Let's go to our render engine and change it to cycles. Under the render max samples, let's make it 50. And if you have GPU, I recommend you use that. In Shading workspace, create a new material for our gummy. First of all, go to Transmission, take the weight all the way up to 1. Grab our roughness here and drag on it. Search for Noise Texture Color. Shift A and search a color ramp. Drag a black value up and this white value down a little bit. And let's take our scale and make it 3.5, detail 7, distortion 0.2. And then take this vector and drag on it and search for texture coordinate. Shift A again and search for a bump node. Place the color into the height, the normal into the normal of the principled. And let's make distance equal 1 and take the strength down to 0.04. And now add volume absorption and plug that into the volume here. Make the density 5. Take this base color here in the principled and drag on it. Search for color. Connect it to color of volume absorption as well. And color of a color ramp to roughness. Click that and select Rendered, and we can see a gummy bear here with a shader on it. Pick a color for your bear and it's done. Render it and save for your collection.